Time to go more modern. Modern. Yeah, this one looks so much better. This is how I installed it. Okay, all the parts are laid over here on the ground. So this is the motor. So you have these in different sizes to make it longer, like even longer or shorter. This is gonna be mounted on the ceiling. This is gonna go in there, but also you have to make sure that you remember to add this piece. These will be connected with these wires, so they're color coded. And these wires are connected with these, the color coded. And then you have black and white, which is for the regular power. It's gonna be a little bit crowded because I chose to use the short stick, so the ceiling fan is as close as I can to the ceiling. So it's gonna be a little bit crowded to work, but still possible. So these are the order of the pieces. This goes here, this goes here, this goes here. This is gonna cover this part, this is gonna cover this part where the bolts are, and then the wires are coming around, and then the remote is already connected, color to color. And then black and white and green is gonna go up there. So this bracket is installed. The wires are just hanging over here. And now it's just a matter of putting the fan on. It's gonna slide in, sit in here. It has a little notch over here on the side, so it has to align with that notch. And here it is installed. So basically it has a notch and it just goes in here and has a little bit of a wobble, specifically designed that way so it can go with the flow. Now it's a good time to test. So I put the batteries in. I'm gonna push the button and it's going to turn on. This is a DC motor, so it can go either direction, so it could go forward or reverse. And this is how it looks like installed. I chose the black one, which is really nice. And obviously the light comes on and off. I'm going to let you know how well the light can see at night. And then we're going to turn it on for number 1. And there you go. So right now it's in reverse. It remembers, and then we're going to put it on forward. So I'm going to turn it around, and then it stops slowly, and there you go. It goes the other way around in a second. And it's a DC motor, very quiet. You don't really hear anything. Very small motor. And then maximum speed, it might synchronize with the camera. Oh yeah, this thing is going, starting to blow things in the room. Well, 1 is more than enough. So the light is on and it has multiple modes. So every time you turn it on, it changes the color. Some of them are stronger than the others. But it's a little bit dim. So if you look, it's on a dim side. Otherwise, it has a really nice effect at night. So it definitely has a nice effect.